What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review. Sandal, slide, croc. I'm not really sure what to call these, but they're really basically being called sneakers. So we're going to get into the review for these Yeezy foam runners in the mineral blue colorway. So for me, with foam runners, I had Sands in a size 12. Did a review before, and here's the link to it. I had them in a 12 and they did not fit. So I decided to go with a 13 in the mineral blue pair, and they actually fit good. I wore them once. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Here's your mineral blue Yeezy foam runner. As you can see, it does have like kind of like the moon gray pair, but it's very faint. You can't really tell on the design the different shades of blue that it has. See if it's picking it up there. It looks like it might be picking it up. But this is the Yeezy foam runner mineral blue pair. On the inside, it does. These are also made in China. The reason for that is the sand pair was made in the USA, but for some reason the US can't get that whole marbleized feel to it that they had also with the moon rocks. This has the same thing, but let me get them out. You got the box, foam and runner in there. The box is basically inside out because there's the real size tag. Foam runner, min blue, mineral blue, obviously. On the inside, you do have that size tag right there. That little tag that has the SKU and all that, made in China. The Adidas barcode and the sizing. So they only wore them once and they held up pretty good going to Costco. In the back there, that's pretty much the only the only Adidas branding that they have is right there in the heel. This shoe is made of algae and EV foam combined. They do have this is injected, so that's why you have the little, I don't know if you guys can see the little injection point right there. There's an injection point in the front, and I don't see an injection point in the back. I see it's only injected from the front on both pairs. Yep. But these little cutouts, these grooves, these work really well to bend them. You know, some of the foam is thicker in some parts and thinner in others, which makes it easy to fold and wear. And honestly, I would not wear low socks with these. I hear a lot of people saying that this right here will give you blisters, cuts, all that good stuff on your ankles, right below your ankles, because this does kind of end up kind of snug around the ankle. So I mean, but that's for the support that you need. And then you have these little grooves on the inside. All those little grooves, you would think that you would feel them, but you can't really feel the little grooves once you put them on, and then like your foot pushes down on it, and it's very comfortable. You don't even know that there's grooves there. They're more there to support, to give you some grip for when you wear them with the socks or without socks. But like I said, I wouldn't wear them without socks. And for sizing, like I said, I went with a 13 because I had 12 in the Sands, like I said, and my normal Yeezy 350 V2 size is a 12 and a half, so I just went up a half a size. I would recommend doing that. Now, if say you're a size 12, I mean, you could probably get away with wearing a 12 in these, but you might want to go for the 13 as well. I think it all depends on your foot, because people have said that they wear 12 and they go with 12. Some people said they wear 11 and they can also go with 11 or a 10. So I mean, I don't know. I guess it all depends on your foot and how your foot is really. And then these little grooves on the top, this is pretty dope. It's like a cage, reminds me of like a grill. But this is like one of the most hated and loved silhouettes of 2020 and 2021, and I can't wait for them to drop more pairs. Hopefully I can scoop more pairs, but I was able to scoop these. Confirmed, came through. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. Peace.